Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Lori, Girl on the Ridge. I have a couple things to share with you today. It's been a stressful week. Holy cow! Graduations. My granddaughter from pre-K, my grandson from kindergarten. I guess everybody has graduation now. So that was a little emotional. So I finished all my projects, just about. And now it's time to start all new. So I was playing around with these bags. I do have these listed. They're nice waxy gusseted bags, inspired by Bella Vintage Notebook and all her bag ideas. And I wanted to, for my next couple projects, well, next 6 months worth of projects, I like to use tickets. So I'm sharing with you an ephemera bag that I made. So this is, this is one I made with, for the beach journal that I'm going to be working on with you guys. So I just took the bags, I put the kit in here, so I keep it separate, and then I just sewed the bags together. I laid the piece of, this is burlap and lace, and these are all the little pieces of the beach kit. And as I'm cleaning my desk and going through the papers, I'm just putting in pieces that I'm going to use, because if I'm going to make a beach journal, I will probably make 2 or 3, and maybe I'll definitely make a altered folder file to go with it. So I like to keep them all together. So I just took 4 bags and just pretty much hinged them together and sewed them. So that's the beach one that I just started that last night. But the ticket one, I love doing tickets. So this first pocket is all Artie Mays had just, not all Artie Mays. This is Artie Mays in Victoria Design. So I did the design on here to match what's in here. So these are all the printables that I have for that, because this is, again, another way for me to know what I'm doing. And then inside here, now here is all Sue Olson's tickets. I love tickets. So I spent yesterday, before I went to Tuesday morning, and did a bunch of tickets. So these are, I know, all Sue Olson. And eventually, when I forget, I'll have to put the name down, but I'm not planning on that anytime soon. Okay, this is just, these are some Tsunami Rose I think I had, but I've got to find the file and put some more in there. Now these are roses, because that's what, again, this will be pick up, go with a pair of scissors, a thing of glue, and I can make some embellishments. So I just stuck for now my Deli Girl pink roses, because those are my absolute favorite. So those are in that. And then yesterday, I played hooky a little off of work, so I went to Tuesday morning, and they had tons, of washi tape on sale. So this is my because I love these bags. They're so waxy. So now I have, these are all the Tim Holtz I got yesterday, so I can pack all my, or put all the washi's drawer in a tape or basket, whatever I decide to do. But now I can see what I have. And then it's new, so I know I'm going to use it before my old one, because that's just how we do things. And this is Tim Holtz, and this is Bo Bunny. So that's that. So that's how I displayed my washi tape in here. These are, let's see, wait a minute. Christie Art Design. Oh yeah, these are, no, that starts with an I. Can I see it on here? IRALAMIJAS shop. So these are Christmas, and I think these are hers too. I think they were in the same file. I will try to look, seeing if it's marked. Yes, this is the same. If you can see that shop. So that is in this packet. And then over here, I just put some little pieces that I just went through my computer and pulled out some stuff that I haven't been playing with in a while, because sometimes we get stuck in the same things. Sorry, I gotta take some coffee. So I just put some stuff in here, and what I'll do right now is just put a reminder, a gentle reminder. I'll put a little tea bag. I already fussy cut her out, so you didn't have to watch me do that. Put her there. And here. I tried to stay out of Tuesday morning for 6 months. And yesterday was my breaking point. Mostly it was all Tim Holtz stuff. I did refuse to buy any paper pads other than white cardstock. And that's it. Just kind of just a reminder, like, of what's in there. And then the same thing over here. Let's see, we'll do... Let's see. Put it a little over here. However, sometimes you can get over organized. I have to send a package to Rhonda Lee, and I could have swore I had her address. And now I have in one of my journals, because I put Happy Mail and winnings in a journal. And yeah, no, couldn't find it. So now my bed's full of my journals, because I had them all on a shelf. And I had a text her, or messenger. I need your address. So sometimes it's, I don't know. And then, okay, we gotta put a bow, because I like bows. And that is my little ephemera book again. So like I said, my desk, I will clean my desk, and then when I start my new projects, I'll have this. I'll have the other one, the beach one, and I will be working on the beach, and then opposite that I'll be working on Prairie Girls. This way, when I get tired of one, I go in the opposite direction and go to my pinks and all my pretty ones. So I think my camera's ready to fall now, so that's it, and it is. And we'll see you soon. Bye.